I'll add some milk. So the eggs are well mixed. We're going to cook them in the stove. So you add the toppings. There are many ways of adding the toppings, but I just like to add mine when the egg is still wet. If you're using toppings like spinach and mushrooms, I think you should cook them aside and then add them when they are a bit cooked, because they are very wet. They are going to make your omelette very soggy. So you need to cook them a bit before you add them to the omelette. So I like to add my toppings on one side and then add the cheese on the other side. Whatever cheese you like. I like to use this one. This is the sandwich cheese. I prefer it because it doesn't have any grating and whatever. It's a quick cheat. Then I'm going to chop my chives. Okay. I'm going to wait for the egg to set and then I'm going to flip it into half. And that will be our omelette. So you want it to. So I like it to be golden brown on one side like that. And I'm going to serve it. So our omelette is ready and I like to garnish it up with some chives on top and enjoy it. You can enjoy this for breakfast or even as a meal or as a snack, whatever time of day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you try this recipe and tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please be sure to follow me and let's share the joy of Christmas. I'll see you in the next one.